This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a 9R Indy XCR snowmobile. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. Starting at the front of the sled, you will see the headlights, hood, front bumper, nose pan, and 2 side panels. Remove the left side panel to access the oil injection reservoir, clutch spreader tool, clutch assembly, spark plug socket, spare belt holder, spare plug holder on the back of the belt holder, and the fuse panel. Behind the right side panel, you'll find the headlight adjustment, coolant overflow bottle, brake system, battery, if equipped, exhaust silencer, and the chain case chain adjustment. In the right footwell is the battery charge port and the chain case fill plug. The front suspension contains the shock assembly, control arms, tie rods, sway bar and links, spindles, ski rubbers, skis, and skags underneath the skis. Once on the seat, you'll see the 7S display powered by Ride Command, storage compartment behind the display, USB plug inside the storage compartment, and the vehicle-to-vehicle antenna. The left handlebar contains handguards, if equipped, brake lever, parking brake, brake reservoir, back button, navigation buttons, select button, headlight dimmer button, heated grips control, and the Polaris electronic reverse control. The right handlebar contains the engine stop switch and throttle lever. The handlebars can be adjusted by loosening the 4 fasteners in the center. Below the handlebar is the tether cord, if equipped, 12-volt RCA power plug, spare auxiliary slot, key switch, intake screens, fuel cap, and the recoil handle. In the middle is the operator seat. Underneath the seat you'll find a storage compartment equipped with accessory driver seat heater and passenger power plugs. Move to the rear suspension to find the front limiter strap, rail slide, front track shock, rear track shock, rear grease zerks, torsion spring adjustment, scissor stops, rear idler wheels, and rear idler adjustment. The rear of the sled contains rear slots for accessories, tail light, rear bumper, and snow flap. The VIN label is located on the right side of the vehicle above the running board. It is also stamped in the same location. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.